Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. My name is Lovett. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to draft a Gigot sleeve. Actually, there are so many methods of making this sleeve, but this method I'm about to show you is very easy and fast. It doesn't require for the use of pattern paper or cutting out this normal sleeve separately. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, please keep on watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up after watching and click on the subscribe button if you're yet to do so. So let's get started. Welcome back, guys. So the first thing to do now is to fold my fabric in a triangular way, as you can see. I am folding it into two because I'm going to be cutting out one of the sleeve first. Then when I'm done, I'm going to place it on another fabric and cut out the second one. So my fabric is folded into two and it is going to be in a triangular way, as you can see. Then from the upper part of the sleeve, I'm going to try and locate 11 inches. You can as well use 10 inches, but I will advise not to use something lesser than that because it's going to be a puff sleeve, so it has to be free a little bit. So from the upper part, I will rule out the 11 inches. I will rule out a straight line. And when I'm done with that, from that line, I'm going to go up by 6.5 inches. The reason why I'm using 6.5 is because I want my sleeve to have a little bit puff at the upper part, at the shoulder slant. So I went up by 6.5 inches. You can as well use 6 inches if you want. Then from there, I'm going to draw out a curve, a sleeve curve. So after I'm done with that, from this point, I'm going to mark out my sleeve length. Whatever you are using as your sleeve length, I'm going to mark it out now. So for this sleeve, I'm using the sleeve length of 24 inches and I'm going to be adding a band to it. So the normal sleeve length is 24 inches and I wanted to add a band of like 5 inches to it. So I'm going to minus 5 inches out of that 24 inches, and whatever I have left, I'm going to be adding 3 inches to it because it's going to be a puff sleeve and it has to be a little bit puffy. So I will add 3 inches allowance to it. So from the top here, from the tip here, I'm going to try and mark out my 24 inches. So after I'm done, I'm going to mark it out round. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to make a straight line here. So, and that is it. So the next thing now is to cut it out. So this is what I have, guys. After cutting it out, you can see how it's looking already. You can see the down part is a little bit wide. So after I gather it together like this, then it's going to give me exactly what I want, and there's going to be a little puff at the top as well. So the next thing is that I'm going to join this side together. I'm going to join the sides together. So the next thing now is to cut out the band. So here is the 5 inches band that I'm going to be using for the sides, for the down part rather. So you can see the upper part is a little bit wider than the lower part. It's because the upper part is going to be at the upper end, and that lower part is going to be at the wrist. So that is the reason why the upper part is a little bit wider. So I cut out my 5 inches. I added a little bit allowance. So the next thing is that I'm going to gather the down part of my sleeve and I'm going to join it to the band, and that is it. We're done with the making of our sleeve. If this tutorial has been helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.